can see by the end of the building there how it's just creeping towards the building. That's the outside of it. Well, here we go. Corner of the building way out there. I don't think I've ever seen anything. It's like it's walking.
Yeah.
Once again, you can see the contrast. Oh, there you can see it moving pretty fast on the left-hand side there. Oh, and if we look right down there, you can see that building is just about ready to disappear. You can start to feel the wind. Everybody's starting to run. It's probably 50 meters away from us now. I guess I should get moving inside because it's going to get very ugly very fast. I'm just standing by the door here. You can see how the light is changing very, very quickly. I'll zoom out. Oh my gosh. The wind's picking up. You can see the trees. Things are starting to disappear right here. Wow, look at the change. How are you? I was just shaking hands there with an officer. Oh my gosh, it's black now. Just black. Oh, you're 20 meters away. It's starting to disappear. Down the road here, well, you can hardly see at the end of the building. It's gone. There's that end of the building. Well, I'm going to go inside. My teeth are starting to be like sandpaper.